It's a new day. Joel and I went to get a massage last night after our long day. I booked it for Joel and I because I felt like Joel really needed it, and of course I was gonna tag along too. It was a really great evening. I went to bed thinking about the slabs. I woke up thinking about the slabs, and here's my thought. But first of all, we're on our way to the property. I put sunblock everywhere, and then I like dabbed the sunblock on because I just wanted to sit on top and absorb and not let any sunlight onto my scar. Anyway, here's my thought. Either slab is gonna be beautiful, but I was sitting here thinking of like the blue cabinets, the shelves. You know what? I'm gonna tell you this when I get up to the property. The snow has melted just enough to reveal a bunch of little scrap pieces of wood everywhere. So that's what the kids are gonna do today, Lincoln. So this kind of stuff. Lincoln, you just do the very best you can.
No, Dad said just the 3 big kids. The
3 big kids? Well, you come here. You can help. You just have to do the best you can without hurting your finger, okay? But don't get in the kids' way. Just because maybe you're not helping as much, you could do, you know, it's not easy when you're being, you know, in the way. Cody, I expect you to help Boston know what to do, okay? So, what was Dad's instruction?
To go pick up all the little pieces of wood and put it in the bed of the Ranger.
All right. Okay, you know what you got to do. I want you to do a really, really good job. Boston, come here. You guys are gonna, Cody, come here, honey. If you guys, come here. I want you to start in one area together, and you're going to kind of like get in a line, and if you do it together, it makes it so much easier. So stand together and just start walking. And you pick up anything and everything that you see on the floor, okay? Yep, starting back here. To be honest, I don't have my instruction yet. Joel hasn't told me what I'm doing, so I'm waiting for Joel to tell me. And while we wait, I want to tell you guys, I want to help you visualize what I was talking about. So, let me show you. Here is the kitchen. And I'll put an image on the screen that shows you the layout of the kitchen. And so as you can see, this is where the island is going to go. So you've got your sink here, and then you've got your fridge here, your oven. Here's where a long cabinet will be. And then right here is the pantry, and I'll put an image on the screen that shows you kind of the layout that we're going to be doing here in the pantry. And my thought is, if I really want dark blue cabinets in there, because everything else is really light and airy as far as design goes. And in the pantry, I just thought it would be really beautiful to have dark blue cabinets. I love the dark blue color. And so I was thinking it would be really fun to have a pop of that blue, light blue color from the slab. However, when I woke up this morning, I was thinking of all of my items that I'm going to put on the floating shelves, and I thought, I don't want, you know, and the whole pantry has food in it, and it's like, okay, I think it's going to be really busy. With it being so busy, I just don't want chaos in there. So what I'm thinking long term, whatever countertop I do out here will also go in here just to keep it calm. You know, that's what I'm thinking. Even though I was so giddy about that blue slab, it is gorgeous, there's no doubt about it. I just don't know if I want to put it in the house. I'm really gonna have to sit and think on it. And normally when I've got a little bit of time to just think on it, the answer will come. It'll come to me. I have my orders. Lincoln, you're gonna come with me. You follow me, you're gonna stick right by me. Number 1, because I will be able to help you not get hurt. And number 2, just so I can have my eye right on you, okay? We're gonna go downstairs, but the music's loud, so. I'll cook first. Here's how we're gonna close the vlog. Everyone is muddy because they play. No, boot first. Come over here. You need one boot, and then step up. Step up, and then I'll take your other boot. Okay. Now snow pants. We're going to carefully put everyone's muddy stuff in the back. Can you take those off? Oh, okay. Hop in the back. All right, Olivia, and you're next. Okay. Let's see. Oh, look how nice you did that. Olivia is helping me. Good job, honey. Thank you.
Now I'm gonna go get my Stefan.
And then we're gonna go home.
Wait, can we get some lunch?
Yeah, I think everyone's starving. All right,
My turn.
guys, that was fun. Say goodbye to everybody.
Bye, everybody. Good night, Kevin.